Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, physical ailments. Mental illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is goodness. I need you guys to hone in on the goodness and the great character carving, the evolution that you have made for yourself. You're not holding on to that hurt. You're not holding on things that don't serve you, things that did not stick around. They don't deserve you, and you deserve better. I don't see that you have been working on making sure that certain habits, as far as your attitude, being able to accept, being able to release, and that therefore you have space to evolve, and the things that you really want, you give space for it to come through and settle. And I want to say congratulations, because you're doing a great job. It's not easy being a Taurus. It's not easy. You're so logical. You're an intelligent being, but you're a foundational sign. That means you can take a being, you can take that walk, you can take that talk, you can take that foundation, you can take a lot of these things that you feel is unfair, but you're built for it, and great things come from it. I overcome my imperfections and polish my character, things that don't serve you. Negative energy only is going to bring trial, tribulation, more obstacles. Your body is like a magnet. These are the rules of the universe. Positive thoughts brings positive and breakthrough. Positive thoughts bring positive energies, breakthroughs, manifestations, and blessings. So make sure you always maintain, even in your darkest valleys, your darkest times, stay in a positive frequency so we can expedite, so we can get to the sunlight. Thus, I free myself and allow goodness to manifest and become a source of joy. The smallest source of joy, the smallest source of happiness can be joy. Being able to stand up, write your name, to be able to sing, to talk, to be able to read a book. These are small superpowers we take for granted that everyone does not always have. So be happy and watch how that skyrockets you to the next level. And through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, understanding, and love to myself and others. Because once you understand and if you excel through the hard things and tribulations and character carving that you've been through, you understand other people and you give them grace. Therefore, they open themselves to you. Therefore, you can be helpful, and you're actually serving and making a huge difference in the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.